Hello friends, welcome to the video number 40 for the Python 3 series. And well, in this video we're gonna be talking about how we can read from text files using Python. And well, it's gonna be kind of like a continuation from the previous video. In the previous video we talked about how we can write into text files using Python. So well, now we're gonna keep on writing. We're gonna do the same thing, and well, then after we write something into our file, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna read from it. Now, if you can see, the syntax is very similar, almost the same. I'm creating here a variable, and then I'm telling Python open what file or which file I want Python to open. I gotta specify in here. Remember, this is a string. And then, if you remember in the last video we saw here, we can put a W for write or an A for append. Well, now we're gonna put an R for read. So again, the syntax is almost the same, or well, it is actually the same, I think. So just put R for read, and then we're gonna create another variable, and we're gonna say in this variable we're gonna assign whatever it is in this variable, which is the address for the file, and then dot read. Right, very easy, just like that. Dot read. So read from this file and put the text in this variable. Then remember, we need to close. It's a good practice just to close the file that we open to read. So now we have everything stored here. We close it, and now the only thing that I'm gonna be doing here is just print all the text into the Python shell. That's it. Now let me just start from scratch. This is gonna be clean. So we're gonna write everything and then read it. So here it is. This is what we are reading, and of course we wrote it first into the file. And well, there is another thing we can do. You saw now we read the file as, or all the lines in the file as just one big chunk of text. Now another thing we can do is tell Python read lines, right? Because in this case I know that I have several different lines in that text, so I can do this. And what's gonna happen is that Python is gonna return a list. This is the first line, and then tells me, okay, you have a new line there, comma. Then you have another line. This is another element on the list, and then a new line, comma, and then you have another line or element in your list. And well, of course, we can treat this list or these elements in the lists, well, the way we saw in a few videos ago. And well, that's basically it. Just read or read lines, whatever it is you need to do. And well, yeah, I think that's it for this video. So I hope that you find this video useful as always. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks all of you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.